Hey theme lovers, welcome back to another exciting episode of Mobile Funda, where today I have brought an exciting HyperOS customized theme, where you will get HyperOS 3 based icons with light and dark mode, HyperOS 3 inspired control center, and an iOS 26 inspired liquid glass lock screen. So if you want to take your phone experience to the next level, watch this video till the end. Also, if you like this customized theme, then don't hesitate to like this video and also subscribe to the channel so that you keep getting such exciting themes in future as well. Friends, let's talk about today's customized theme. So first of all, let's talk about the lock screen, which we will see in this layout, where a big liquid glass clock widget appears at the top, which comes with 3D effect, which you can clearly see on the screen. Well, if we talk about the customization, then as soon as we double tap on this navigation bar, we will get some customizations options here. First is wallpaper, where you will get to see some default wallpapers. Second is clock, where you can customize its glass effect. Third is date format, where you will get to see many options. Fourth is widget customization, where you will be able to adjust the color plus transparency of this clock widget. Fifth is notch, where you will get to see some customizations options here. And the last is shortcut, which you can customize whether it's left or right icon. Also, if you want, you can also apply your custom wallpaper here, which you will know later in the video. Now let's move on to the icons. We will see them in this design, which is highly inspired by HyperOS 3.0, especially the system apps, as you can see on the screen. However, we didn't get to see any animations in these icons, which might disappoint many users. But one interesting thing about these icons is that you can switch the mode of these icons. For example, if I change my theme mode, the theme of these icons also changes, which you can see on the screen. But at the moment, many third-party icons don't support the dark mode, but hopefully that will improve in future updates. Last but not least, let's talk about the last part of this theme, that is the control center. We will see something in this layout, which is highly inspired by HyperOS 3.0. Like its toggles in white color and its icons in blue color, which is almost similar to the stock HyperOS 3.0. The notification panel, status bar and volume control layout are also the same as in the stock theme. So these were its features. Now let's talk about how to apply them. First, you have to go to the pinned comment below, not now, after the video, and you will find a drive link. Click on it and download the backup file. Then install it using the backup and restore method. After that, when you go to your theme store, you will see these two new themes, in which first you have to apply this theme, liquid search depth of field. Then your lock screen and control center will be applied. Next is icons, and for that you have to go to the icon section and you have to apply this theme Super Surging 3. Last is lock screen wallpaper, and for that you have to go to the customize theme, then lock style, then customize. After that, in the second setting, tap on the first option and select a normal peak. Then tap on the second option and select the PNG peak. This way your custom wallpaper will be applied. By the way, you will get the wallpapers on our Telegram channel. So this was today's HyperOS 3 customized theme. I hope you liked this theme. If yes, then do like this video and leave a nice comment. See you in the next video with another exciting theme. Till then, keep customizing.